Ever stared at a foreign price tag, mentally calculating the exchange rate, and feeling that familiar pang of dread about hidden fees? Or perhaps you've been caught in a last-minute scramble at a dubious money changer, hoping you're not getting ripped off? We've all been there. The world of international spending can be a minefield of confusing rates, sneaky surcharges, and the nagging suspicion that you're always paying more than you should. But what if there was a way to navigate this financial labyrinth with confidence, locking in great rates and saying goodbye to those dreaded foreign transaction fees? Imagine a world where you can travel, shop online, or send money abroad with complete transparency, knowing exactly what you're getting and without any nasty surprises. That's where YouTrip comes in. For anyone who loves to travel, shops from international sites, or simply needs to manage multiple currencies, YouTrip offers a game-changing solution. It's a multi-currency mobile wallet that lets you hold, exchange, and spend in over 150 currencies with real-time, wholesale exchange rates, meaning rates very similar to what you see on Google or xe.com, without the typical bank markups. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful features of YouTrip, how to change your money directly within the app. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just dipping your toes into the world of international transactions, mastering this simple process will save you time, money, and a whole lot of headache. So, let's unlock the secrets to seamless currency exchange on YouTrip. Changing your money on YouTrip is incredibly straightforward, designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. First things first, ensure you have the YouTrip app downloaded and are logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your various currency wallets. To initiate an exchange, look for the Exchange button, usually prominently displayed on the home screen. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of currencies you can exchange. YouTrip currently supports in-app exchange for 12 major currencies, including USD, Euro, GBP, JPY, and AUD, amongst others. Select the currency pair you wish to exchange. For example, if you want to convert Singapore dollars, SGD, to US dollars, USD, you'd select SGD to USD. Once you've chosen your currency pair, you'll immediately see the live exchange rate. This is where YouTrip shines. You're getting those excellent wholesale rates with no hidden fees or markups. Take a moment to review the rate. If you're happy with it, proceed to the next step. Now, simply enter the amount you wish to exchange. You can either input the amount in your source currency, e.g., how many SGD you want to convert, or the desired amount in the target currency, e.g., how many USD you want to receive. The app will automatically calculate the equivalent amount based on the live rate. Double-check the amounts to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the amounts, simply tap Next or Exchange. The button might vary slightly depending on your app version. A final confirmation screen will appear, showing you the full details of your exchange. Review it one last time, and if all looks good, confirm the transaction. Instantly, your money will be exchanged and reflected in the respective currency wallet. It's that simple. Your new foreign currency balance is now ready for use, whether you're swiping your YouTrip card overseas, making an online purchase from an international merchant, or just holding onto it for a future trip. Remember, even if you don't pre-exchange, YouTrip's Smart Exchange feature will automatically convert your funds at the best real-time rates when you spend. However, actively exchanging in advance allows you to lock in favorable rates, which can be a smart move if you're tracking currency fluctuations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.